Last month, OpenAI shared a rather thought-provoking announcement that might have slipped by unnoticed for some. Although it didn't generate the kind of buzz that quirky AI news often does, it's undeniably one of the most significant blog posts they've ever made. And that's exactly why we're delving into it today. In this recent statement, OpenAI discusses the concept of super-alignment. In simple terms, they're referring to the need for breakthroughs in science and technology to guide and manage AI systems that are far more intelligent than humans. Their solution to tackle this challenge involves forming a new team and allocating 20% of their computing resources to this specific initiative. They're on the lookout for talented machine learning researchers and engineers to join their ranks. Now picture this. OpenAI's endeavor is quite akin to assembling a team of real-life Avengers. While that might sound amusing, it's vital to comprehend that the immediate threat we face isn't aliens, nuclear weapons, or climate change. Instead, it's the prospect of digital superintelligence. This form of AI will eclipse our own intelligence by a considerable margin, and we have no certainty about its intentions. This is why OpenAI is building a squad of brilliant minds aiming to predict its actions and ensure the safety and well-being of humanity. The blog post commences by stating, "Superintelligence will be the most impactful technology humanity has ever invented and could help us solve many of the world's most important problems." Yet the immense power wielded by superintelligence also carries an immense danger. It could potentially disempower humanity or even lead to our extinction. The most chilling part arrives with a timeline that underscores the urgency of the situation. OpenAI believes that although superintelligence might seem distant today, it could become a reality within this very decade. To put that in perspective, it implies that by as early as 2030, roughly 6 to 7 years from now, digital superintelligence could become an actuality. This limited time frame reveals the imminent nature of the challenge at hand. If you're not quite familiar with the concept of superintelligence, let me break it down in simple terms so you can really grasp the significance of this. Imagine a computer that's not just smart, but brilliantly intelligent. It's like having a mind that's far sharper and quicker than any human brain. This super smart computer can learn things at an astonishing pace, tackle intricate human challenges, and come up with groundbreaking ideas that humans might never even consider. Picture having a computer that can instantly answer any question you throw at it, comprehend everything you've ever uttered, and devise strategies to solve monumental issues like curing diseases or addressing climate change. That's what superintelligence is all about. But here's the catch. Superintelligence brings along considerable risks because if it surpasses us in intelligence and can think in ways that we can't fully fathom, its goals and intentions could lead to human extinction. This is why we emphasize that superintelligence is poised to revolutionize the entire world. It could find solutions for climate change and global hunger and even conquer diseases that currently baffle us. And if it also conquers something like aging, where people never grow old, this could literally transform the world as we know it. And this change is approaching rapidly. Now think about a system capable of achieving all of this. Do you think humans would truly be able to control this system and dictate its actions, even its immense intelligence? It's doubtful. To truly appreciate how superintelligence will reshape our world, reflect on the visionaries and pioneers who have influenced your daily life. People like Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla revolutionized the way we perceive the world and how we interact with technology. Superintelligence is set to outshine these luminaries by a wide margin, promising technological breakthroughs that we might not even be prepared to handle. The blog post raises a pressing question. How can we ensure that AI systems much smarter than us adhere to human intentions? The stark reality is that we currently lack a solution for guiding or regulating a potentially superintelligent AI and preventing it from going rogue. It's worth repeating. Currently, we don't have a solution for steering or controlling a potentially superintelligent AI and preventing it from going rogue. This statement underscores the gravity of the situation and the urgency to address it. The challenge lies in our current methods of guiding AI. Techniques like reinforcing AI learning from human feedback depend on our ability to supervise AI systems. But what happens when AI becomes vastly smarter than us? Humans won't be able to keep up, and our existing methods won't work for superintelligent systems. This is where the need for fresh scientific and technical breakthroughs comes into play. Now let's delve into their strategy. They're aiming to create an AI-aligned researcher that operates at a human-like level of understanding. The idea is to leverage significant computational power to expand their efforts and align superintelligent AI step by step. The process involves 3 key steps: developing a scalable training method, validating the model's outcomes, and putting their entire alignment process through rigorous testing. Essentially, they're working on building an AI system that can effectively oversee superintelligent AI in a way that humans simply cannot. After all, human imperfections could pose problems, but with a skillful and reliable AI supervisor, they could make significant progress in solving this challenge. To get an idea of how groundbreaking this can be, Consider the case of DeepMind, a Google-created research organization. They developed AlphaZero, an AI system that exhibits incredible creativity and strategic innovation in chess. Unlike traditional approaches, AlphaZero didn't rely on human data to learn. It came up with novel strategies that even experienced chess players hadn't seen before. In a short span of time, it went from random moves to outperforming established chess programs. This development caused a stir among the chess community. AlphaZero's ability to think contextually and assess positions in the moment rather than following predefined rules marked a departure from traditional chess engines like Stockfish. It learned through experience, not predetermined rules, leading to innovative gameplay that defied conventional norms. The impact of this extends beyond chess. If you consider the implications of AI-driven learning and its potential real-world applications, it's clear that we're entering a realm of possibilities that could reshape how we approach complex problems and tasks. In essence, this initiative is paving the way for AI to not only match but surpass human capabilities, opening up avenues for more efficient, creative, and adaptable problem solving. Remember, this all started back in 2018, which was 5 years ago. Think about it. We have AI systems that can tackle mind-boggling challenges like quantum mechanics, physics, or even certain diseases. It's a sure bet that this AI at some point will generate new ideas, solutions we've never considered before. But here's the flip side. It might also come up with new tricks to manipulate people or create tricky computer code. There's a world of possibilities we're not prepared for. Right now, it seems like we're in a tiny window of opportunity. Google's DeepMind is working on something called Gemma, which could be the most powerful AI we've ever seen. Unlike ChatGPT, Gemma learns from its own mistakes and keeps improving every time it trains. It's both thrilling and unsettling because if Gemma creates a whole new level of AI, we won't know how to handle the risks. The concept of superintelligence might sound far-fetched, but the pace of AI research is astonishing. I wouldn't be surprised if we see superintelligence in just 5 years. That's going to shake up our society in ways we can't even predict. Staying updated on these developments is crucial, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon as we are coming up with more amazing videos down the corner.